Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a bit different. As you can see, this exploring series video, I have a Chrome window open, and you may be asking, Brutwick, I thought you were checking out an operating system. Why do you have a Chrome window open? Well, my friend, that is a very interesting question indeed. Today we're going to be checking out ZebOS, an operating system I made in JavaScript and HTML. Now, I'll leave a link to the operating system in the description, and I'll also be leaving a link to the GitHub repository in the description as well. This is version 1 of ZebOS. Version 2 will start development soon, and version 2 will have a better graphical user interface. You'll see what I mean in a bit. Let me pull up the page first for ZebOS 1. So yeah. So this is ZebOS 1. Now, what I should probably have done is set the screen to not this and keep it in dark mode. But luckily I have an extension that does that. If you guys haven't checked out Dark Reader, I should probably do a video on it. Anyway, you can see that ZebOS 1.6.2 Service Pack 1 is the current version as I'm recording this video. And this is a command line interface operating system, or a CLI operating system. As you can see, it gets the time here. That is actually the time. It is, well, now it's 5:10, but we loaded at 5:09. So yeah. Anyways, we can type in help for a list of different commands. As you can see, if you type in a command, it will show up in blue. We've got all these different commands here. Really nice. And we're going to be checking out each command and etc. etc. Anyways, the first command that we're going to be checking out is version. So as you can see, this is version. And there's a bit of a bug here which shows the version number twice. Once right here and once right here. So yeah, that is a bug, as you can see. We're also going to be checking out the file system with ls, just like in Linux. However, it is very, very cursed as well. Because, well, it just is. Yeah, you can't really see the entire GitHub repository's things. There is a directory called documents. I don't know if there's anything in there, but we can make new directories. For example, we can make a directory called hello. If we type ls again, we can see that we got our hello directory. We can also do rm obviously to delete test.txt, and if we do ls again, as you can see, test.txt is gone. We can rename readme.txt to test.txt. There we go. So now we can type in ls. As you can see, readme.text is renamed to test.txt. Really, really nice. We can also go into edit. Yeah, we can go into edit. You can also scroll up, obviously. So yeah, that is really nice. You can edit a file, obviously. If let's say that you want to edit a file, you got this, a file editor. This is the text editor, actually. You can type in, it's just a basic text editor. Hello, this is ZebOS 1 Service Pack 1. Now, if you click File or, do these keyboard shortcuts, F2 is save, F3 is save as. Now, this isn't really in the operating system. It's more of a Chrome thing. As you can see, it'll ask you to enter a brand new file name. We will just call it SP1.txt. And then to exit out, we can just escape. Now, if we type in ls, there's sp1.txt. And now we're going to be using the view command and doing sp1.txt. And there we go. We will see the contents of the file just like that. Anyways, we're now going to check out some of the other stuff. For example, calculator, which is the calc file or the calculator command. Now, there are two different ways that you can use this. One, you can use the mouse for 1 plus 1 equals 2, as you can see. The next thing that you could do is use the keyboard. So, yeah, you could just use the keyboard. What the heck? Oh, it's pressing clear. 66. I don't know why it's pressing. All right, let's try that again. 66. Plus 1. There we go. I'm not making this joke. I didn't think what else you could do. But anyways, we've also got Snake, or at least a version of Snake. As you can see, here is Snake. It is really hard to control with these graphics. Also, it is kind of fast. There we go. We got it. Also, we apparently, I don't know what the heck just happened. I think we sliced ourselves. But anyways, this version of Snake lets you go around. And in RTM, it didn't let you do that. So, yeah. This can make it harder or easier. I don't know. Depending on how you think of it. No. Okay, no. Okay, there we go. We got it. There we go. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I'm trying to beat my high score, which is like 180, I think. I don't know if we're not gonna beat our high score here. So yeah, we're definitely not. Whoa, we're just circling it. We are just circling it. Oh, no, I should have, there we go. No, okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, we were so close there. There we go. Now we just gotta get back there. Then we gotta go there. No, we missed it, we missed it, we missed it. We go down, just like that. And we can get, no, no, not what we want. There we go. Just like that. Just like, oh, that was close. That was really close. There we go. And then we no, we missed it. We just barely missed. Oh yeah. Sometimes if you get too long, that could be a very bad thing unless you turn. That is true. That is true. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now we can go up. We get that one. Get yeah, turn there so that you don't really. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We can do it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, we're doing good. I think we beat it. Oh, no. That was so close. That was actually close. Oh, that was close. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, see, this is when you get too long. You just get that. There we go. There's Snake. There is, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. No. No. Come on. There we go. Oh no. Okay. Okay, come on. We can do this. We can do this. There we go. Now we just go down there. Go up there. Go up there. Oh no. That was really weird. That was also really close. What was that symbol? No. Okay. Wait. How do we not? Okay. I guess that's cool. That's awesome. Bro, this is something really cursed. No. Okay, there we go. Well, we beat our high score at least. We got 250. As you can see, that we beat our high score. That is really nice. Anyways, that's going to be the end of the video. It's a pretty short video where we just check out ZebOS. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, subscribe, all that stuff. Make sure you go check it out. Link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video.